This is the cheapest pair of Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s that you can buy, and I'm gonna expose why the price on these is so low. A couple other things I want to mention is how to figure out what size you need in these if you want them, what they actually look like on body and on foot, and I also have one more surprise, so make sure you stick around to the end of this video because you don't want to miss it. Anyways, let's get straight into it. Now this is the moment you've all been waiting for. This is the most important part of the video. Let's go ahead and take a peek down below. Whoa there, that was a close call, but let's get straight into this. I already have these shorts on, so I'm gonna go ahead and just make this the first look, give you guys a peep at what they look like. I laced one in the yellow and I laced one in the blue. These are my two favorite colorways, I'm thinking as of right now. They do also come with red, but this is how they look on with shorts. Next look is something that I definitely have been a fan of lately. It's gonna be like a crop pants. You can see that there's like an extra inch compared to like a normal pair of pants. They're pretty much like high watered. These are corduroy, they're kind of more like a sweatpants, but they come in a bunch of different shapes and sizes. I wanna see what these things look like with a super baggy pants. As you can see, they're significantly baggier than the other pair that I just had on. Not gonna lie, typically I think this look looks better with high tops, but let's see if we can get it off with these lows. I think the color of the light denim just looks better in my opinion, so these are probably going to be my favorite, but again, it's up to you guys, man. Let me know what you guys think. One very important thing that I need to tell you guys about these shoes is that they are technically a women's drop. Now, don't freak out. I've noticed, I think this is the second or the third time Travis has done this. For example, I wear a size 12 in men's normally, and I noticed that they're kind of narrow. I think it's because they're Jordan 1s. I also have a super wide foot, so this might not apply to everybody. I would say if you have a wider foot, I would go up a size and a half. So in women's, the conversion of a size 12 is actually a size 13 and a half, but then I went up another half size because that conversion in women's is kind of like for the length, but my foot is wider than a woman's foot. So I wanted to make sure that I got that size that wasn't gonna be too snug. Now, if you have a slimmer foot, maybe that size and a half difference will be enough for you. Other than the fact that I just hit myself in the eye, you gotta admit this is pretty cool. First thing first, I want to get into the price of this shoe. Resale. Retail was $150. That's what I paid. I actually hit on the sneakers app. But resale, these are actually going for a good price compared to the other Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows. I'm just going to base all of these off of a size 12 men's, which is my size. Right now, they're going for $2,355. Those are definitely taxed. Another fire one he did was the fragments. I'm sure you guys know what these are by now. These are going for $1,655 in my size right now. And then I'm gonna drop down. I'm gonna skip a couple pairs. I know, but we're gonna look at the Phantoms. I actually have these. This is a sleeper pair, and before the Canaries dropped, this was the next cheapest, honestly. But even these are now going for $959 in my size. Now this brings us into the topic of this video. So these are the Jordan 1 Travis Scott Low Canaries. And I know the color is loud, and that's probably part of the reason of why they're going for $500 right now. I think it's super important to not let resale value base whether or not you go for a shoe or not. Hopefully this video helps you guys out, and I'm calling it right now. One person is gonna make a fit out of these, whether it's Travis, whether it's somebody else, and these are probably gonna skyrocket over time. Because come on, man, it's Travis Scott. Anything with Travis Scott on it is always through the roof. But also, I don't think you guys should let height decide whether or not you buy something. I got these because I like them. Luckily, I got them on the sneakers app for retail, so that's dope. But I'm not even interested in selling them, bro. I buy things because I like them. I'm a hoarder. Bro, look at my whole room. Nothing's going anywhere, man. So let me know down in the comments. Are you guys rocking these? Are you guys passing on these? And I'll see you in the next one.